Hi guys, this is Ibrahim Khalil from my channel SOFTBD. Hope doing well. In this tutorial, I will show you how to write SQL join and how it's work. Basically, SQL join clause is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a related column between them. And basically, four types of join: inner join keyword, left join keyword, right join keyword, and full outer join keyword. Let's go to start. As usual, I'm going to open SQL Server Management Studio, and here I'll select my database, which is testdb, and now I'm going to write select statement. As usual, select all from employee info, and I'm going to run this query. And guys, here you see all the data from employee info, and I'm going to write another select query, and here I'm going to write table name salary info. And now I'm going to run second query, and here you see only 6 data is retrieved here. Here I am taking two table, one is employee info and another one is salary info. Now I'm going to show you SQL inner join. The inner join keyword selects records that have matching values in both tables. That means when I am going to join table employee info and salary info, then only which value will be retrieved, that value are common in two tables. Here you see again employee info, only here is a 25 records, and then only 6 record in salary info. So when I am going to join inner join both table, between both table, then data will be shows only this id 6 id are common. So let's go to start. I am going to write query for SQL inner join. Here I am taking two table, which is one is employee info and another one is salary info. Here I take employee info is left table and salary info table is right table. So first I am going to write select employee info dot id, then employee info dot name, and then salary info dot salary, then from employee info, and then keyword inner join, then right table salary info, and then keyword on, and then relation employee info dot id is equal to salary info dot id. Okay guys, I told you here I take two table employee info and salary info, and here I am going to write SQL inner join query, and then employee info is left table and salary info is right table. Here you see I just take employee id, employee name from employee info, and salary from salary info, and here I am joining with inner join keyword and also keyword on. So let's go to run the query. Okay guys, only both are common data are retrieved, only 6 data are retrieved, which one I told you before, because here you see again employee info table has a 25 records and salary info table has only 6 records, and inner join that have matching values in both tables. So guys, here you see how to write inner join query and how it's work. Now I am going to show you SQL left join keyword. The left join keyword returns all records from the left table and the match records from the right table. The result is null from the right side if there is no match. Okay guys, here I am going to write select employee info and then again id, then employee info dot name, and then salary info dot salary, and here also employee info is left table and salary info is right table. So from employee info, and then I'm going to write, I'm going to write left join keyword, left join, and then right table salary info, and then on the relation employee info dot id is equal to salary info dot id. So let's go to run this query. Left join keyword. Now here you see common value shown and null value shown which has no salary. Here you see salary info table only 6 id has a salary, but in employee info table there is a 25 records. That's why in left join you see here which values has salary has shown, and left table all data shows and salary will be none, because I told you left join keyword returns all record from the left table, and which has no value from second table that will be shown null. So here you see salary shows null. Okay guys, there is the left join query, and now I'm going to show you SQL right join keyword. So right join keywords returns all record from the right table and the match records from the left table, and the result is null from the left table when there is no match. So here I'm going to show you right join basically reverse of left join. So here I am going to take salary info is a left table, salary info dot, okay, here I'm going to salary ssid, then salary info dot salary, and then employee info dot id, and then employee info dot name, and then from salary info, because here I am taking salary info is a left table, and then right join, right join, then right table employee info, and then keyword on, and then relation salary info dot id is equal to employee info dot id. Okay guys, here I told you right join keyword returns all records from the right table and the matched records from the left table. The result is null from the left side when there is no match. Okay, so let's go to run the query, and here you see id salary, this one salary id, and this one employee id, and here you see all value is the null value, because I told you right table all the record will be returned, which one is not data in left table will be null value. Here is a two field are shown null value. So guys, you already I think you understand about the right join. And now I'm going to show you full outer join. The full outer join keyword returns all records when there is match in left table or right table records. Full outer join can potentially returns very large result set. Full outer join and full join are the same. So let's go to start select all from select employee ID. Here I'm going to take employee info is the left table and salary info is the right table. So employee info dot name and then salary info dot salary from employee info and then full outer join, then left right table salary info and then on employee info dot id is equal to salary info dot id. So let's go to run the full outer join, and here you see all the data are written here because I told you full outer join keywords return all records when there is a match in left or right table records. So guys, here you see the joining. Okay guys, here I showed you SQL inner join, which is selects records that have matching values in both tables, and then SQL left join keywords returns all records from the left table and the match records from the right table. The result is null from the right side. And here I showed you about SQL left join and then SQL right join. SQL right join keyword returns all records from the right table and the match records from the left table, and the result is null from the left side while there is no match. And another last one is I showed you full outer join. Full outer join keywords return all records while there is match in left or right. So guys, this one is full of join SQL keywords. Guys, if you like this video, please like, share and comments, and if you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Bye for now.